happy Friday. So it's actually Black Friday and I'm actually getting ready to go to the store, so y'all pray for me. I'm really not Black Friday shopping. I'm really just going to get a couple ornaments with the kids, let them pick them out. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm mainly going because they need to get out of the house. They've been in the house for 2.5 or 1.5 days, and that's a lot for them, like to go absolutely nowhere. So yeah, it's really just to get them out of the house, and we'll be putting up the tree tonight. So I figured I might as well show y'all my outfit because I have not done that in a while. All right, so this is my mom chic look for the day. It's very basic, very plain, but I still feel cute because of the little things I added. So I'm wearing these old jeans from Target. I don't know if they still sell them, but I've had these for a while now. And then the shirt that I'm wearing, I don't know, it's just a plain like gray shirt, but it is very comfortable, very soft. I don't quite remember where I got this from, but I've had it a while. Again, everybody has a gray shirt. And then I'm wearing this like vest. It's like a denim vest. I think I actually found this at Marshall's a while ago. But I feel like the denim vest just helped it be a little bit more than a basic t-shirt and jeans. And then I really wanted to show y'all this bag because I've had this bag for a while and I hadn't been carrying it, but recently, like the past week, I've been carrying it all week pretty much. Yeah, I think I've been carrying it like a week. So yeah, I have been loving this bag. It is the Gucci Dionysus wallet on chain. Again, this is not a new bag, but I am pretty sure they still sell this, so I will link it. But it's just, I like it because it's kind of a different color palette than what I normally go for, like in bags. And it's neutral, even though there's a Gucci monogram all over it. So yeah, this is my look for today. My shades are old, but they are from Celine. And my shoes are also old and they are Steve Madden. So I'm wearing a bunch of old stuff today, but I actually feel very mom cute for like just running to the mall with my kids. No makeup, just brows, but yeah. There's the look. Happy Black Friday, y'all. Before I forget, the fragrance I'm wearing is Jo Malone Ginger Biscuit Cologne. And I don't have the bottle down here with me. It's up in my bedroom. So sorry I can't show it to y'all, but I'll probably insert a picture of it for you guys.
A carrot on it.
Yeah, he has a carrot nose. So a snowman.
We don't have a carrot nose.
No, but a snowman does. I kind of like this bird.
Huh?
Look at the bird. I like that.
Hey,
Be careful with that one, Chloe.
look at the ribbon.
Yeah, we kind of had those in our tree last year. Look at the sleigh. Look at that.
You get the donut.
Yeah, you got your donut.
And look at the hat. Whoa, you guys,
his blue hat.
you got this.
Is that a snowman? Yeah,
Hey guys, look at this.
that is a big one.
That is
Don't take it out, Chloe. It might fall. Chloe.
Oh, what you say? Whoa, that's a huge one.
Okay, let me put that back. That's really pretty.
Mommy, I wish I want to have that for my Christmas tree when it's Christmas.
So Black Friday outing was a success. We did find them some ornaments for the tree. I went to Hobby Lobby too, but it was super crowded in there, and just at first glance, I didn't really see what I was looking for. I wanted to switch out like my base ornaments for my tree this year, but I guess we're gonna go with the same ones because I didn't find any and it was super crowded, and yeah, I wasn't going anywhere else, so yeah. Anyway, the kids got their little special ornaments, so I let them get 2 each, one for their Christmas tree in their room and one for the big Christmas tree. So I'll show you what they got. So this first one was actually at a kiosk there at the mall, and it's personalized, but Noah didn't want one that was personalized, so got Chloe this one. It's just a unicorn. She picked it out. It has her name and the year. And then one that Noah picked out from the Christmas what's it called? The Christmas tree shops is the reindeer family. So he said he's gonna put this one on the big tree. And then another one that Chloe picked out is this donut one. I don't know which one of hers is gonna go on the big tree and what's gonna go on her tree, but. And then the last one that Noah picked out is this one. He says he wants this to go on his room tree. So those are really cute. And that was fun. That was it for our little outing. We're just chilling right now. I just finished eating lunch. Made myself some coffee. I made myself a latte today, actually. And I used the peppermint bark from Keurig. So it's like a peppermint latte. It's really good. So I'm gonna chill, watch a little TV, and then I'll check in with y'all later. Good morning, y'all. Take these off. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I'm actually getting ready to leave the house. I'm going to IKEA, which I actually have not been there in years. So I figured I might as well take y'all in there with me because it's Tuesday morning. It shouldn't be that crowded. So hopefully I can turn the camera on in there. I'm going to get one specific item, but I do want to kind of look around because like I said, I haven't been to IKEA in years. And I used to like to go there and just kind of look around, even though I never really bought much stuff from there. I don't know. I like going, walking through it, taking my time. And since I'm by myself today, that's what I'm going to do. So first I got to go to UPS. So we'll be going there first and then Starbucks probably, and then IKEA. So let's go. First, a cranberry bliss bar of the season. I'm so excited. I love these, but I don't eat them often because they're just, you know, sugar. But they are so good. So it's like a great treat when I can get one. So I finally got one today. I cannot wait. They are as good as I can remember. Anyway, now I'm headed to IKEA. I like that. I like the color of this one. I really like the look of this faucet. So my IKEA trip was a success, but I forgot. I was going there for a piece of furniture, which I found. Unfortunately, they didn't have any set out to display, so I couldn't see it on the floor. I was hoping to be able to do that. But I knew I was going to drive out here anyway and get it because I've been looking at it online for the past few weeks. And for delivery to my house, it's like $70. That's not including them putting it together. So I'm like, no, I can drive the 30 minutes to IKEA and go get it myself. But I forgot I was gonna have to grab these big behind pieces by myself. Usually when I come here with my husband, when I have gotten like a furniture type piece from here, of course he does all the heavy lifting because, you know, why else would he be here? Well, that sounded bad. I didn't mean it like that, but I mean, he's a man. He's gonna grab the pieces for me. And if he did not, then he probably wouldn't be the type of man I would want to be with. Anyway, how are we getting on that? Anyway, what I was saying is I had to grab those heavy boxes, and it was a struggle. It was easier to get them in my car than to actually get them off the shelf, because they were on the shelf, they were on the bottom. So I basically had to crawl underneath, not underneath, but like I had to get on my knees and pull it out and then lift it. So yeah, anyway, that was my workout for the day. Just kidding, I actually do need to work out later, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to, I think I'm gonna go ahead and head back home. I'm really thirsty. I should have got some water out of there because I left my water cup at home. Yeah, so I'll check in with y'all later. Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. So I made myself a skillet. Shout out to Sharika B. I love skillets whenever I go to breakfast restaurants, but I've never made one at home. It doesn't look the best, honestly. But I promise it tastes good. I made it the other day too. So there are potatoes, mushrooms, onions, egg whites, and cheese. And I think the reason it doesn't look that good is because I mixed up the cheese within the skillet instead of putting it on top. So it kind of like made the eggs look a little bit gross. But honestly, it's gonna be good, y'all. Your girl is not a chef, okay? That's why I don't show y'all my cooking, because it ain't my thing, you know, but it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna eat this and drink my coffee, and then I will be right back. Real quick, I actually just remember it was not Sharika B that inspired this. It was actually Miss AI the Great. Y'all know she's a perfume goddess here on YouTube, but recently she did a vlog, so go check it out. I will link it down below. But in it, she did her thing on her skillet. Hers looked a lot better than mine, so go check hers out. But I wanted to just come on here and correct myself real quick before I start eating. Y'all, so I'm done eating my breakfast, and I wanted to show y'all just a couple of things before I close this vlog out, because I really want to be able to get this posted today as I'm filming this. So I'm gonna show y'all a couple more things, and then we're gonna be done with this vlog. It's a shorter one, but I think that's okay. So let me turn y'all around real quick. So y'all know the other day I went looking for some ornaments for the tree and all. So I did go ahead and decorate my house for Christmas. No, I didn't do it on Black Friday. I was planning on doing it that day, but Noah was having a day in the afternoon, and so it just got me out of the mood to do it. And so yeah, I did it the next day. But I wanted to show y'all my new garland, because this is something that's new. I've been using the same Christmas decorations for years, and I'm kind of like over them. So I switched out a couple things this year, not a lot, because I didn't want to spend a ton of money on Christmas decor, because honestly, like if you see my house right now, it's literally a mess every single day. I get so sick of cleaning up, guys. But anyway, I didn't want to spend a ton of money on Christmas decor, but I do want my house to look nice and festive, and I like this garland. It's not super Christmassy to me because of the color, but I think it's really pretty and different than what I had before. Before, the garland I used was actually like a beaded garland. It wasn't even like any greenery. So this year I do have the greenery, and it has these little, I don't know what these are supposed to be, but I got that from Target. I'm pretty sure it's still available, so I'll link it. And then I put up our stockings, which actually need to be moved. They kind of annoy me because they get off center, because the children always touch them, which I mean, I guess it slightly annoys me, but it doesn't annoy me that they touch them. It annoys me that they get off being evenly spaced. So I do need to respace those, but I wanted to show that to y'all. I got those stockings last year. If I can figure out where I got them from, because I ordered them online, I will link them if they're still available. But they are personalized, Daddy, Mommy, Noah, Chloe. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I'm gonna share one more thing with y'all. So actually I lied, two more things. I wanted to share these reindeer. I picked them up from Target as well. I don't really want them to live here. I just sat them here momentarily because I don't really know where I want to put them. But I did want to share them with y'all. They won't stay here. Like I said, right now they're by my coffee machine, but they're going to be moved. I just don't know exactly where yet. But I wanted to show y'all those. They were very inexpensive, and they also had this glitter one. I know comes in multiple colors. I think it comes in silver, but I like the gold the best. And then I got this kind of like metallic looking one as well. And then now I'm going to show you one more thing. So last thing I wanted to share with y'all is this wine advent calendar. This is actually in our little wine room, but it's dark in there, so I figured I should bring it out here to the living room to share with y'all. But I picked this up the other day when I went to Total Wine, where I did an order online, like online pickup for Total Wine for my wines for Thanksgiving. And so I saw this and I was like, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. So let's open it up. I've already opened it somewhat. So I already opened this part, but that's it. So you can see it has 24 days of wine. Yes, 24 days of little wine bottles, which I thought would be so fun for me to open up and do. Now, I won't be drinking these all on the day of, but I will open them every day just to see what I get. This is actually the first time I've ever gotten an advent calendar, so hey. So let's go ahead and open that together. So we're December 1st, so let's open this one. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. Excuse my ashy hands, y'all. So, December 1st, we got this. This is the 7 High Seas Cabernet from California. This is actually a pretty good size, decent size of wine. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be drinking tonight, but if I do, I will definitely try this. And like I said, I'm not going to be able to drink these every night because obviously, I mean, that's too much for me. However, when I do, I will open them every day and I will just put them in my wine cabinet. And when I open one on a day that I'm actually going to drink it, I'll definitely drink it. Now, this particular vlog, I'm filming this in the morning, so I'm not going to drink it on camera or anything like that. Because I'm not about to drink wine this early in the morning. But yeah, if I ever open any in the evenings and I'm already vlogging, I'll definitely share it with you guys. So yeah, this is my first wine. I'm excited to try all of these, or to open all of these throughout the month of December. So yeah, thought that was cool, wanted to share. I would try to link it if I'm able to. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit shorter than normal. One thing I guess I should address is today is the first day of Vlogmas, and I know you're seeing this vlog today, but I am not doing Vlogmas. I did it last year and I did a mix of vlogs and like regular videos, and it was just too much, honestly. I felt like I was neglecting my husband, and it became more of a stressful thing. Like it was too much pressure for me because I'm not a person who can film every single day, and yeah, it was just too much. So I'm not putting myself through that this year, but I am going to try to at least, you know, stick with, I already do vlogs like once every 2 weeks or so, so I may try to up it to like once a week. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, you'll just see your regular 3 times a week from me, unless I throw in a couple bonus videos. But yeah, so sorry if you guys were hoping I was gonna do Vlogmas, but not from me this year, guys. Anyway, for all y'all people who are doing Vlogmas out there, shout out to y'all because it ain't easy. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all support people's Vlogmas because like I said, it is not easy, especially for people that are actually doing like real vlogs every day. Not meaning like, I mean, it's hard even if you're doing like pre-recorded content, but the people that are actually like filming and editing and posting every day, I don't know how y'all do it. So anyway, I hope y'all have a good one. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.